If you're still vacuuming and mopping separately, you're just wasting your time. This Sharp Vac Mop does both at the same time, and it's literally $350 off right now. Check it out. It's normally $700, but when you scroll down, it's $350 off today. And this has easily cut my cleaning time in half because it will pick up pet hair, spills, and pretty much anything. Then once it's done vacuuming, it'll self-empty at its base station and return back to cleaning so it can mop the floor squeaky clean. Plus, it also has edge cleaning too, sucking it up right against the wall. It even works great for pet hair because it has spot detection, so it knows how dirty your floors are. And for those sticky spots, it scrubs and mops at the same time, so you don't gotta lift a finger. It maps out your whole place, it figures out all the rooms, and it just keeps going. I'm never gonna have to do my chores ever again. They even include some cleaning solution to get you started, and it'll last you a while because all you gotta do is mix a little bit with water. So if you have pets or kids, I highly recommend you grab one of these. And right now, you don't even have to pay full price, but that coupon is only for a limited time, and these always sell out quick. So if you still see that link down below, it's still available. I'd grab one before they sell out again.